Good morning. Just managed to get the camera out on this. It's going to be a 45 mile-ish ride, give or take. Only just got it out because I'm going into the Peak District, and from my house in Stockport, the road's just horrific pretty much all the time, so didn't feel safe getting the camera out. Fair dues. Meant to be 4 categorised climbs on this, so going up into just shy of Buxton and then down to Goy Valley and up to Cat Fiddle. But I've already missed out the first one. I suppose the good thing about knowing your local stuff. Oh, the camera's gone. Yeah. Oh wait, got a busy roundabout to contend with. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, so there are 4 categorised climbs on this ride, and I've already missed out one of them, so I'm on the second one now. This is Long Hill, and it is long. It's a long hill, 4.5 miles, not too steep, but gradual gradient, pretty good. So I just want to say cheers to everybody that's subscribed, commented, tried to comment back, and also cheers to everybody that's sponsored me for Land's End to John O'Groats, because that's what this is all about. Although I will continue after that, obviously. I've been a cyclist for 14 years now, so it's not just about the jog, but this is massively helping. This is getting hard now. Take some photos and stuff at the top, video, and see how we get on. It's been raining, by the way, as you can probably tell, and I've got my rain jacket on, and immediately regretted it when I came out, but we are where we are. It's done now. You live in the north of England and you don't do stuff because it rains, you pretty much ain't doing stuff. Also, apply one of those rules of cycling by Velo Minati. Yeah, get to it what it is. I'll post it in the comments. Just stopped for a photo opportunity. Not quite to the top of Long Hill yet, but Garmin says it's complete. It's not complete, there's another probably a third to go, but look at this. I mean, come on. And I'm only 17 miles from my house. Beautiful. But quick one on Long Hill, up to now, headwind, you might be able to hear it, and rain going up a very long hill, 4.5 miles, so I think that's good preparation for Land's End to John O'Groats. It's good preparation for any hill really, isn't it? So fair dues. So yeah, get to the top of this, gonna have something to eat and go down into Goy Valley and up to Cat Fiddle, hopefully. We'll see you later. Bit of a plug as well for my brother-in-law's Get Active protein flapjacks. He's kindly donated a load to me for my ride, so, but these are really good. Taste brilliant. It tastes like, you know, they don't taste like the chemical punch you get from Decathlon and what have you. It tastes really good. They've got a nice crunch to them and very moist. They do pack a punch though. I think they're near enough 400 calories for one bar, so to be eaten on your ride but not to be scoffed at night time, I don't think, but they are fueling the active as well. So there you go, there's a plug, and look, got me to the top of here, and it's going to get me around my my ride. So cheers for that, bud. Cat Fiddle. Don't know what elevation I am. It must be 1400 feet, I think. I'll stick an image of it in a second, let you see. Yeah, a bit nervous about the descent, to be honest, because I've got a tailwind and it's hairy at best, so that should be fun. I'm a right mad, really. Risk averse, always tapping on my brakes go through loads of brakes. But yeah, top of Cat and Fiddle. Been a long time since I've done this. I did it the other week as well, but I used to do it all the time, and then just fell out of cycling really because I changed jobs and things. So I've done that in more detail probably on the jog videos. Had plenty of time on that one. 980 miles, yeah. Pretty sure I'll have time to chat away. But yeah, used to do it all the time. Even did it through the night as well. That was a story. So yeah, on with the descent. See how we get on with that. Cat and Fiddle descent done, and then a bit of a tour of Macclesfield, because when I plotted the route I did one of those back roads again, and I thought I'm not doing that again. I just don't know what's down there. Last time there was like a 20%er, had to get off and walk, so went into Mac, got my map out, did a bit of a detour, ended up back on the main route. So I'm here now, just in Pott Shrigley, just about to go up my last half of the last climb. Hopefully it's downhill from there. Well, I pretty much know it is. Yeah, good. Legs feel good. Neck feels really bad. Bum feels really bad, but like I learnt last Sunday, if you just carry on riding, here's a tip for you everybody, pop pickers, carry on riding and you will get through it. Well, my body does anyway, I don't know about everybody else's, but legs are just completely fine, which is surprising because I've been up Cat and Fiddle and Long Hill, which is real progress for me, because I don't know, January time, that's when I started properly. I mean, I've been cycling last year, late last year as well, but didn't think I'd be able to do that. So go me, beer when I get home, yes. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you with this now, some footage, and I'll probably do another one before we stop. I don't know why I keep on saying that, probably should edit that. Yeah, we'll see. There we go, done. no Phil video catching on the way back, it's just bedlam. I had to try and hope that Hazel Grove didn't have the carnival on, because that was the thing. That would have been fun if that was on. Trying to work out my way around that. Obviously, and also went down a bloody trail that me Garmin took me down. Obviously, my planning, I used to look at that in a bit more detail. Dead end, and then a trail that was not suitable for road bikes. So just check your routes, guys. Check your routes, because honestly, I took a couple of wrong turns today. But yeah, so 3,300 feet exactly climbing. So again, quite good. Into 47 miles, exactly 3,300 feet of climbing actually. And Long Hill and Cat Fiddle both ticked off with headwinds and rain and crosswinds, and so yeah, that's that. Really pleased, and yeah, please do give it a subscribe if you want, and cheers and comment and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, see you next time. Cheers.